Hi guys, my name is Trisha. Today I'll be singing Love Story by Taylor Swift. Um, if you want to request some songs, please just comment down. This is for Tita Ara and Jan Jan, so I hope you like it. Here we go. Yun lang. We were both young when I first saw you. I close my eyes and the flashback starts. I'm standing here on a balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gowns, see the make waves in the crowd and say hello. Little did I know that you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. You was crying on the staircase, begging you please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All there's left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. This is love story, baby, just say yes. So I sneak out to the garden to see you. So you quiet, cause we're dead if they do, so you close your eyes. Escape this town for a little while. Cause you were Romeo, I was a good letter. Daddy said stay away from Juliet. You're everything to me, I was begging you, please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All just left to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. Used to be a story, baby, just say yes. Romeo, take me. They're trying to tell me how you feel. So difficult, but it's real. Don't be afraid, we'll make it out of this mess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes. I got tired of waiting, wondering if you were ever coming around. Thinking this real is fading. When I met you at the outskirts of town and I said, Romeo, save me, I've been feeling so alone, I keep waiting, oh you, but you never come, this did in my head, I didn't use to think, he knelt to down and pulled out a ring and said, let me be Juliet, you never to be alone, I love you and that's all I really know. I talk to your dad, go pick out a white dress. The love story, baby, just say yeah, yes. Oh, oh. Love story. Both young when I first saw you. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it.